The objective of this course, Introduction to Herbal Medicine, is to raise awareness and to help people tap into their passion, make it easier for people to understand easy old methods of working with herbs. We've had the herbal medicine in Lebanon called Tubb al-Arabi for a long time. And what I'm trying to create is the fusion of the Western, Asian, and Arab medicine together. And that's how I started my journey with the Meli meal. And for this course, you'll have 8 modules. Every 2 modules will finish in a month. So in 4 months' time, the course will be done. It will be also available after that online.